Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. How are you all? How are you? Beta, am I audible? Are you able to hear me? All of you?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Bache, now see again we have a tough year ahead. Class 12th, I never thought is going to be like this for you people. I was very happy that your batch would be able to study nicely. The previous batch could not. But things are again going back to the same situation. But remember, beta, you'll for sure see that class 12th is supposed to give a board exam this year also, even when the situation is so grave. तो बेटा ये मान के तो बिल्कुल भी मत चलिए that we will not have board exams for class 12th. So right from first day, be very sincere, be very punctual about your tests. I'll be planning a weekday for a test like I did in offline. You'll all switch on your cameras and we'll have an oral test. The day I have 2 periods, I'll fix up 1 period, maybe Wednesday or Thursday. I've got 2 classes. So we'll fix up that what we are going to do. So remember all of you, I'll post on the group also. Thursday, I'll be taking a test of the previous chapter, which is finished, Organisms and Evolution. Is it okay for all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Today is just what? Today is Friday, right? So we have so many days. I'm saying Thursday. Thursday, I've got 2 classes with you. I was planning to take practicals offline, but now that doesn't make sense. So let's utilize that period of practicals. So coming Thursday, we'll have a test. You all will have to switch on your cameras. There is no way out. And I'll be asking you questions. You need to answer them orally. Ready? We'll all be prepared. Tell me. Sure? Yes or no? Okay. That day I started the chapter. Very few students were present. I don't know what happened. Anyways, I'm continuing with my chapter. 10% law, you've already done in class 10. Who gave this law? Lindman. Please name this person with me. Hurry up, everybody, speak out. Who gave the 10% law?
Lindman.
And it was very good. It was somewhere in 1942. So a 1 mark question. Who proposed the 10% law and when?
Lindman in 1942.
Yes, it was Lindman in 1942. Now, what does this law say? I think you've already done in class 10th. You've done it or not?
Yes.
Okay, does anyone remember? What does the law say?
10% of the total energy is transferred to next tropic level.
Exactly. So whatever energy the first level has, 10% of it is going to be transferred to the second level. And how much of solar energy is trapped beta by the first level? Does anyone remember?
1%.
Excellent, excellent. It is 1%. So supposing you're getting 1000 joules from the sun, how much will the producers get? Well, If we are getting 1000 joules of energy from the sun, how much energy will be trapped by the producers?
10.
Hmm? Do you agree with her answer, children? She said 10 joules. Do you agree with the answer or you do not agree with the answer? Beta, yes or no? That's all you need to tell me. You agree with the answer or you don't agree with the answer? What is 1% of 10,000? अच्छा बताइए, what is 1% of 10,000?
Ma'am, of
Calculation.
10,000 or 1,000?
How much did I say? 1,000. How much solar energy did I tell you?
1,000.
Okay, 1,000. Now tell me 1% of 1,000.
10.
1%. Yes. What is the issue in this? Whatever energy the sun is giving out, uska beta only 1% will go to the first level. Here the producers, uska 10% to the secondary, 10% to the next, and 10%. This is how we go ahead. So remember, there is a relationship. Solar energy ka 1% to the producers, and producers ka 10% to herbivores, uska 10% to carnivores, and then top carnivores. So are we ready for a simple question? Can we do a question based on 10% law? Should I give you a question, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Very few of you are saying yes, ma'am. इतना बड़ा तो कुछ maths calculation नहीं है बेटा. It's a simple calculation. Solar से sun, it is just 1%, and आगे it is going to be 10%. So ready for the question? Note down a question. 10,000 joules of energy radiated by the sun. 10,000 joules of energy is being radiated by the sun. How much energy will be present at the first, second, and the third trophic level? 10,000 is radiated, given out by the sun. You tell me how much energy will be maintained. How much energy will be present in the first, second, and third level? Quickly, come on, tell me the answer.
Ma'am, 100 joules.
100 joules to 100 joules to which level, beta? Producer, first level or second level?
Ma'am, producer.
Producer.
Producers.
Very good. And how much would it be to the second level, dear?
1 joule.
Ma'am,
Okay.
10
And what-
joules. 10 joules.
10 joules.
Yes, 10% of 100, no? And what about the third level?
1 joule.
1
Do you
1
agree?
joules.
1 joules. Is it
1
okay for
joule.
everybody? Is it okay for everybody? You already done it in class 10. Just a quick revision. If still anyone feels that I need to do it with you, you tell me. I'll do it again with you. Let me start. The next topic, which is very easy, that is ecological pyramids, because this you've already done. Let's start with ecological pyramid. Do you know something about ecological pyramids? Why I've taken up this PDF is that you need to see certain things over here. What are ecological pyramids? They're diagrammatic illustrations. Diagrammatic illustrations means through a diagram you are trying to show something. Okay, this means diagrammatic illustration. And what are we trying to show, beta? The relationship between different levels in terms of energy. Number 1, biomass. Number 2, and number of organisms. Number 3. Matlab, how much energy is present at the first level, second level, third level? So we'll have pyramid of energy. If we talk about the number of organisms, how many organisms are present at the first, second, third level? So we are going to have a pyramid of number. So this way we have different kinds of pyramids. So what do these pyramids tell you? They tell you the connection, the relationship between different trophic levels. Chaliye isko dekhte hain. See, it is so easy. This is your pyramid of number. So obviously, what will it tell you? Will it tell you number, biomass, or energy? What will this pyramid represent? Pyramid of number? I told you pyramids represent 3 things. What are the 3 things? Tell me. Energy,
Energy,
biomass,
biomass,
Number
and
of
number.
number of
and
organisms.
Yes, beta. So if you see this pyramid, it's written pyramid of number. So what will it tell you out of these three? क्या दिखाएगा?
Number.
Energy by
Number.
number.
Number. Number.
चलिए इसको हम रीड नहीं करते हैं, जो लिखा है हम लोग सिर्फ इस पिरामिड को स्टडी करते हैं. सी द लोएस्ट वन, सबसे बड़ा है ना बेटा ये. सी द लोएस्ट बेस. कैन यू सी दिस इज द लार्जेस्ट. फिर ये ऊपर वाला इससे थोड़ा छोटा, इससे थोड़ा छोटा, एंड यू सी दिस इज हाउ इट इज गोइंग. सो विच इज द लार्जेस्ट लेवल? प्राइमरी प्रोड्यूसर, consumer primary, secondary consumer, or tertiary consumers? Which ones are the largest in number?
Primary producer.
Primary producer.
Primary producers.
Chaliye, let's have a figure also. Tell me how many primary producers you can see on the screen. Read this figure.
58 lakh 42,000.
58 lakh 42,000.
42,000. Let's move on to the next level. What is the figure?
7 lakh
What?
8,000.
8,000.
Yes, 7 lakhs. See the difference. 58 lakhs and then only 7 lakhs. Let's move on further. Next, have the next figure. What is it?
3 lakh 54,000.
3,54,000. And finally, amazing figure we are getting for tertiary consumers, the top carnivores I'm talking about. How many in number?
3.
See, this is a grassland ecosystem. This pyramid which we have drawn is for a grassland. If you see beta, only how many top carnivores are being supported? Only 3 carnivores. By about how many plants? Niche jaiye. Around 60 lakh plants. 60 lakh plants will be able to support only how many top carnivores?
3.
3.
That is why you see in big forest when you go, बहुत सारे plants होते हैं, but tigers, lions, ये hardly 2 या 3 ही होते हैं. Despite the fact that we have so much of vegetation in forest, the top carnivores, when I say I'm talking about the lion and tiger, वो बहुत ही कम होते हैं. You hardly have 1 or 2 or 3. So see the relationship. Approximately 60 lakh primary producers, if they are present, they are able to support only how many consumers, tertiary consumers? See the figure. How many tertiary consumers are they supporting?
3.
3.
Only 3. So this pyramid is the first kind of pyramid, pyramid of number. It tells you the total number of organisms at each level. Beta yaad rakhiye, it is always upright. But in a tree ecosystem, the pyramid of number is inverted. I'll be talking about this as an exception when I take up. Just remember, this is an upright one. Upright ka matlab kya hota hai? What do you mean by an upright pyramid? Any idea? What is an upright pyramid? Think of something. Anything, beta. Koi negative marking thoda hi hai if you say something wrong.
Ma'am, which is matlab going in a increasing manner or ascending order.
Okay, at least she's trying. Very good. I want somebody else also to try. Very good, Buchi. Good effort. Come on, I want 1 or 2 more people to try. Tell me quickly. बेटा, upright pyramid always means कि नीचे से जब ऊपर जाएंगे तो छोटा होता चला जाएगा. You have an English word tapering. मतलब नीचे broad, ऊपर जाते जाते छोटा होता जा रहा है. This kind of a pyramid is known as upright pyramid. Right or wrong? This is pyramid of number. Pyramid of number, if you see very clearly, is it upright or is it inverted?
Upright.
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 Why do you think it is upright over here?
Ma'am, it goes on decreasing.
Yes,
It's
it goes
decreasing in
on
number.
decreasing in number. Now, can anybody answer? Why the pyramid of number is inverted in a tree ecosystem? Tree. सोचो, अब आपको समझ में आ गया. नीचे ज्यादा है, ऊपर कम होता जा रहा है. Then this is what we call as an upright ecosystem. Pyramid. Now, can anybody think for a minute and tell me why do we have inverted pyramid in a tree ecosystem? Chaliye, think for a minute.
Ma'am, because
Try and tell me.
मैम जो भी एनिमल्स ट्रीज पर होते हैं वो प्रोड्यूसर्स को ही फीड करते हैं, इस वजह से जो प्रोड्यूसर्स हैं उनका नंबर कम होता रहता है.
Okay, very good, very good. फिर से बताओ बेटा थोड़ा धीरे धीरे, so that others can also relate. देखो बिल्कुल सही
मैम
कह
जितने
रही
भी
हैं. बोलो बेटा.
मैम जितने भी एनिमल्स ट्रीज पर होते हैं वो डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली मतलब लीव्स को ही फीड करते हैं ट्रीज की, तो वो प्रोड्यूसर्स जो होते हैं वो कम होते रहते हैं और जो कंज्यूमर्स वगैरह होते हैं उनका नंबर बढ़ता रहता है, इस वजह से वो इन्वर्टेड होता है.
Good, excellent. See बेटा, we are talking about a tree ecosystem. तो हमारी प्रोड्यूसर लेवल पे तो बस एक ही है, and that is the tree. ठीक है? If I start about a pyramid of number in a tree ecosystem. Tree ecosystem मतलब मैं सिर्फ एक tree की बात कर रही हूँ. So my producer level is how many? How much? Only one, right? एक ही तो है. उसमें बहुत सारे birds हैं, बहुत सारे monkeys रह रहे हैं, बहुत सारे insects भी रह रहे हैं. So their number will be more than the number of tree. Yes or no? बेटा बोला करो. I don't even understand whether you are able to comprehend what I'm saying. I'm talking about a tree ecosystem. Tree ecosystem का मतलब सिर्फ एक tree के लिए हम study कर रहे हैं. Only one tree. तो producer level तो only one है. We just have one organism, that is the tree. अब उस tree के ऊपर you got so many birds. You may have monkeys. You may have insects. You may have squirrels. तो अब बताइए नीचे वाला बेस लेवल छोटा है या ऊपर वाला लेवल बड़ा है? Which one is larger, primary producer or primary consumer?
मैम प्राइमरी कंज्यूमर.
Primary consumer.
Primary consumer.
Very good. And when so many, अच्छा चलिए मान लेते एक ट्री है, वहां पे we have 4 monkeys and 5 birds. So आपका primary producer is only one tree. Primary consumers कितने हुए? 4 monkeys and 5 birds. 9. ठीक है बेटा?
9.
अब ध्यान, वेरी गुड. अब ध्यान से सुनो. When one monkey will die, तो उसको डिकम्पोज करने के लिए एटलीस्ट थाउजेंड्स ऑफ बैक्टीरिया चाहिए नहीं चाहिए? चाहिए ना? वन
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
बैक्टीरिया
ma'am.
वन मंकी की डेड बॉडी को क्या वन बैक्टीरिया डिकम्पोज कर देगा? नहीं
No,
कर
ma'am.
पाएगा ना? नो. So for one monkey, let us assume that we need 1000 bacteria. So how many monkeys we had? 4 monkeys. So how many bacteria are needed for decomposing?
4,000.
4,000. And let us assume that we need 1,000 for the other organisms, the 5 birds that we had. 5,000 plus 4,000, कितना हो गया? 9,000. So producer level में we had only one, that is a green tree. Primary consumer level we had 9. We talked about 4 monkeys and 5 birds. And उसके ऊपर जा रहे हैं तो 9 becomes 9,000. So सबसे नीचे वाला level बेटा सबसे कम in number. First is उससे थोड़ा ज्यादा. And third level is the largest in number. That is why we say that a tree ecosystem is, जल्दी बताइए, is it upright or is it inverted?
Inverted.
Inverted.
चलिए एक बार फिर से मेरे साथ डिस्कस करते हैं. ओके, इन्वर्टेड का मतलब लोएस्ट वाला जो बॉक्स है वो सबसे बड़ा. सॉरी, अपराइट का मतलब लोएस्ट बॉक्स सबसे बड़ा, फिर उससे छोटा, फिर उससे छोटा, फिर उससे छोटा. आप ध्यान से देखो, इसमें सबसे छोटा यही आ रहा है ना? देखो बेटा, ये वाला अपराइट है या ये इन्वर्टेड है? द वन विच इज शेयर्ड ऑन द स्क्रीन.
Upright.
मैम
Upright.
Upright. Now let very quickly give me an example of this. How many trees you have? Let's talk about one tree.
One.
How many trees? One tree. ठीक है, अब बहुत सिंपल तरीके से बताना. On one tree, let us assume we have 5 birds. How many birds we have?
5 birds.
So primary producer level is how many organisms?
1.
Primary,
One.
1. Very good. And primary consumer is
5.
5.
5. And when one bird will die, we at least need 2000 bacteria to decompose the bird. So third level may we have how many organisms?
10,000.
10,000. Excellent. So सबसे कम सबसे नीचे वाला, उससे थोड़ा ज्यादा first level and सबसे ज्यादा second level. So this kind of a pyramid is known as an inverted pyramid. Did everybody understand inverted pyramid?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
fine.
ma'am.
Good. Now should I proceed further? Pyramid of number normally ऐसे होते हैं, नीचे वाला level ज्यादा होता है, ऊपर कम होता रहता है. Only pyramid, अगर example आता है, that which pyramid is inverted, you will write tree ecosystem pyramid of number is inverted. Look at this. This is pyramid of biomass. Total weight of the organism in each trophic level. We are talking about the weight at each trophic level. अगर मैं उधर पहले वाले की बात करूं तो tree का weight, birds का weight, bacteria का weight. So when I say biomass, I'm talking about the total weight of organisms. देखो बेटा, I'm again taking a grassland. ये भी upright है. अगर आप weight देखो, primary producers weight कितने किलोग्राम आ रहा है per meter square? See the
809.
figure. 809 kilograms. Primary consumers weight is how much?
37
Good.
37
Secondary,
kilograms.
very good. Secondary consumers
11
and tertiary consumers
1.5
1.5. This does not mean that this is the weight. This is the weight per meter square in a specific area that is 1 by 1 meters. हम लोग चेक कर लेते हैं कितने green plants का weight है, कितना primary consumers का weight है. This is only per meter square. Please keep in mind. This does not mean कि lion का weight 1.5 kg है. We are dividing the area wise per meter square के हिसाब से. So सबसे ज्यादा बेटा सबसे नीचे, then it keeps on decreasing, it keeps on decreasing, and that is why we say that the pyramid of biomass is upright or inverted.
upright.
Upright.
Upright. Okay. Now we move on to a pond ecosystem. Very interesting. देखो बेटा pyramid of number में एक exception था. कौन सा वाला inverted था?
Tree ecosystem.
ecosystem.
Very good. Similarly, pyramid of biomass also we have one exception which is inverted, and that is the pond ecosystem. Pond ecosystem, phytoplanktons, plants which grow in water, they're called phytoplanktons, and small animals which live in water, birds and small animals, we call them as zooplanktons. If you go to a pond ecosystem, you will see कि number of plants तो कम है, but number of small animals like fishes, tortoise, ये छोटे छोटे जितने भी water organisms हैं ये ज़्यादा होते हैं. So if you see the mass over here, mass of this primary producers is how much? 4 kg per meter square. But the mass of fishes, I'm talking about the mass of the zooplanktons, it is how much? See on the screen?
21
21.
Yes, very good. So can you see the lowest one is less and इसके ऊपर वाला ज़्यादा है? So you'll put it in what category? बताइए, inverted or should I put it in erected one? Which one is this?
Inverted.
Inverted.
What are phytoplanktons, children? What are phytoplanktons? अभी भी बताया. What are phytoplanktons? Yes, plants which grow in water. Small plants which grow in water, they are called phytoplanktons. And what are zooplanktons? बेटा zoo में क्या देखने चाहते हैं आप? Plants या animals? Animals. So animals that live in water, they are known as zooplanktons. Chali, tell me very quickly, what are phytoplanktons?
Small plants that grows in water.
Very good. And what are zooplanktons?
Animals that live in water.
See beta, the first pyramid I did with you was pyramid of number. There we had an exception. Which was the exception we had?
Tree
Jaldi
ecosystem.
answer. Tree ecosystem. The second one I did was pyramid of biomass, and there also we had an exception. What was the exception?
Pond ecosystem.
Pond ecosystem.
Good. The last third one which I'm doing with you, the last one is a pyramid of energy. This does not have any exception, any exception. This is always upright, always upright. We will never have an inverted pyramid for energy. Can anybody tell me why? Think about it. I'm saying we had
Ma'am,
exceptions
because
in pyramid.
energy is neither created nor destroyed, it is only transferred.
नहीं ट्रांसफर तो ठीक है तो ट्रांसफर तो
Ma'am,
बेटा
because
इधर से
energy is decreased
हम्म,
when we move from lower to higher level.
okay, very good. I'm coming up with correct answers. More people also, please come up with your answers. Why is pyramid of energy always erect? It is never inverted. I've already got two answers. I want others also to speak up. Think about it and tell me very quickly, giving you another minute.
Ma'am,
Energy loss
because energy
easy में
is ma'am, because energy is always trapped by the primary producers.
Excellent, beta. Have you ever seen, you must have seen cows eating plants. Have you ever seen a plant eating a cow or a buffalo?
No,
बताओ
ma'am.
सोचो.
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
No. That means energy producers से कहाँ जा रहा है? Primary consumers में. Does it ever happen that primary consumer की energy is going into plants?
No, ma'am.
Similarly, you must have seen the carnivores eating the herbivores. But have you seen herbivores eating carnivores, the top carnivores?
No, ma'am.
No. So energy is always passed on forward from the which level? Producer level. It always passes forward from which level? Because nobody else is able to prepare energy. No other trophic level has the capacity to photosynthesize. So start तो बेटा हमेशा कहाँ से होगा? बताइए, which level?
Primary level.
Primary.
Primary level.
That is the producer level. बिल्कुल सही, very good. No other level has the capacity to produce energy. So it always starts with the producers only. From producers, it will go to herbivores. From herbivores, it will go to carnivores. From carnivores, it will go to top carnivores. कभी भी उल्टा नहीं होता है कि top carnivores से carnivores में and then herbivores eating plants eating herbivores. ऐसा नहीं होता है. That is why pyramid of energy is always upright. ये देखिए. What does pyramid of energy represent? Total energy of the organisms in each trophic level. This is always upright. It can never be inverted because energy is transferred from a particular trophic level to the next trophic level. Some energy is always lost at heat. We just did 10% law, right? We did 10%
Yes,
law just
ma'am.
now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very good. Energy कम होता है ऊपर जाते जाते according to 10% law या बढ़ जाता है?
कम होता है.
कम होता है ना?
कम होता है.
बिल्कुल. दैट इज वाई ये हमेशा अपराइट होता है. देखिए ये वाला एग्जांपल अभी आप लोगों ने मुझे करके भी दिखाया था. सी लुक हियर, दिस वाज अ सनलाइट वी हैड. इसका 1% दैट इज 10,000 जूल्स फॉर प्राइमरी प्रोड्यूसर. 1000 हो गया, फिर 100 हो गया, फिर 10 हो गया. एनर्जी हमेशा कम होता रहता है, थोड़ा सा एनर्जी लॉस हमेशा होता रहता है. सो 10 एज इट इज 10% ही नेक्स्ट पास ऑन होता है. सो दिस इज एन आइडियल पिरामिड ऑफ एनर्जी which stores only 1% of solar energy as the net primary productivity. Only 1% of solar energy is stored. This we have already discussed. बताइए यहाँ पे total amount of solar energy available कितना था बेटा?
Ma'am, 1 lakh. Oh, sorry.
कोई बात नहीं. At least you're trying. Tell me quickly. What is this?
10 lakh.
Okay. इसका 10% चला गया primary producer level. कितना आ गया?
Ma'am, 1 lakh.
And then it passes on to the next and next. I'm giving you 1 minute. Please recall all the 3 pyramids of energy and then be ready. We'll discuss some questions from this. I'll be showing you on the screen one by one all the 3 pyramids. First, I'm showing you pyramid of number. Please read it. Then I'll scroll down and show you the others also. And then you please be ready for the next round of questions. Chalo beta. Jaldi se padho. Hurry up. Now we are moving on to the last pyramid very quickly. See this one also, revise quickly, we'll discuss. Are we ready for the questions? Should I hide this? Should I hide it, beta?
Ma'am,
Children,
done
are we
it.
ready? Okay, sure. You want me to show you back? Tell me which one you want to see. See
Ma'am,
this?
last one.
Last one? No issues, bachas.
Yes.
बस इतना याद रखो, even if it takes us time, it's absolutely okay. But जो चीज पढ़ लिया वो 100% you should be confident. You have to just see the pyramid, not read what is down, just this much. Right? Ready? Should I start? ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It is not very complicating. I'm going to ask now. Very good. चलिए, let's ask. Ready all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Fine. Let's see. Ananya? Good
Yes,
morning.
ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Ananya, tell me how many types of pyramids did we study today?
Ma'am, 3 types.
3 types. Okay. Then tell me now, who will tell me the next one? Let me go one by one. Let's move on to Ariba. Ariba, which was the first one we did?
Ma'am, pyramid of number.
Pyramid of number. Aryan Raj will tell us.
Yes,
Pyramid
ma'am.
of number. Pyramid of number is inverted or erect? Upright or inverted?
Upright.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Pakka na?
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye. Good. Let's move on to the next child. Ayush Patel. Ayush Patel, what was the exception in pyramid of number? Ayush Patel, very quickly, good morning. Jago bhai. Ayush, are you there? I'll mark you absent if you don't speak. Ayush Patel. ठीक है. For me, he is absent, he is not there. So let's not ask. Drishti,
Yes, ma'am.
beta, what is the exception in pyramid of number?
Ma'am, tree ecosystem.
Very good, very good. We have Ritul also joining us. Ritul? Ritul, good morning.
Yes, ma'am.
Which was the second ecosystem we did, beta? Very quickly tell me. Ritul, tell me which was the second kind of pyramid we did. After pyramid of number, which was the pyramid we did? Are you there, Ritul? Can you hear me? Ritul, am I audible? बेटा ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. I am simply not going to allow you to attend classes from next time if you people behave like this. Shazer, are you there? सही बोलो, गलत बोलो,
Yes,
कुछ
ma'am.
भी बोलो. But I never get annoyed if you give a wrong answer. But I get annoyed if you behave like this. Shazer, बताइए बेटा. Second pyramid कौन सा था? Even if your answer is wrong, I'm absolutely okay. Just respond. Ritul, I won't allow you to attend classes now.
Pyramid of biomass.
Pyramid of biomass. Very good. Srishti, are you there, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Srishti, which exception did we have in pyramid of biomass?
Ma'am, pond ecosystem.
Very good. Soni, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay. Which was the last ecosystem we did?
Pyramid of energy.
That is inverted or it is erect?
Ma'am, it is inverted.
Yes, it is inverted or it is sure. Pyramid of energy. Pyramid
Yes,
of
ma'am.
energy, is it upright or is it inverted? सोच लो,
Ma'am,
think for a
upright.
minute. It is upright, beta.
Upright.
It is never inverted. And why is it upright, children? I don't understand, Ritul. You have
Because,
just messaged me. Bolo, beta.
ma'am, energy is unidirectional.
Very good. Energy is unidirectional. Ritul, what have you messaged me? You are saying, ma'am, your voice is clear. I know my voice is clear because now I'm taking classes from home. I don't have any signal issues. So 100% I know my voice is clear. I'm not understanding what message you have sent me. You are saying, ma'am, your voice is clear. I know very well my voice is clear. Why are you not answering? That I wanted to know. I am going to be very strict. I'm telling you, children, you may not like it, but when it comes to biology, you are my children. Your result is my result. I will not let you go like this. Everybody has to be serious when it comes to studying. Please. I am absolutely okay. Galat answer de do. If I ask you your name, you tell me your address. I'll never scold you. But behavior of this kind, I will not tolerate in the class for sure. Chaliye beta, let me wind up very quickly. We did 3 pyramids today. चलिए मेरे साथ साथ बताइए, which was the first pyramid?
Pyramid of
Pyramid of
number.
Pyramid of number.
Which was the exception?
Three.
Three.
Which
Three
was the
equals-
second pyramid?
Pyramid of
Pyramid.
biomass.
Biomass.
Children, just tell me one thing. Last question. My voice, is it clear or not?
Ma'am, clear.
Ma'am, it's
Hmm?
clear.
Okay. So Ritul, don't fool me. You've seen your performance in class 11th. You know how you have passed and been promoted with compartments. So don't try to be smart with me. I will not allow you to attend my classes now if you behave in such a stupid manner.